This is DFW Home Talk, where we educate you on the real facts of the local real estate, credit, and finance markets, empowering you to make informed decisions for you and your family. Achieve financial goals and the dream of home ownership with financial security.
Yeah, thanks. I really appreciate it. One of the things that I think you pointed out earlier was it's not common for us to be in the office working at a title company. That's something that the general public doesn't really know. And honestly, our main part of our job is making sure that you don't necessarily know we're there. You know, we're there to make sure that everything runs as smoothly as possible, that if any hiccups are hit, we can help fix them. And one of the big things that I think is a big advantage for us with having attorneys in the office is that, like you said, our law firm actually owns and operates our title company. That means that we don't have corporate salaries to kick back on. If we want to get paid, we got to make sure we work for every single transaction. So that means we're going to be a lot more willing to do things and work, be flexible, do whatever we can to get your transaction closed. Because if your transaction doesn't close, we don't get paid either. So we're going to be willing to work a lot harder than most people for that. And we think that sets us apart. Another thing that we think is a big advantage, and this is something that the agents experience more than the actual buyer and seller, but we're working with them. So say you're a buyer and you have some concerns, you want something special put in your contract. Well, that's where we can come in. We can help write specific language for whatever situation you have to make sure that that's part of your contract. So if you need the appraisal contingency in there, that's something that we do a lot. So we talked earlier about appraisals. Right. Well, like you said, we want to make sure that that home appraises, but at the same time, if the house doesn't appraise but your lender's willing to move forward, you may not be able to get out of your contract. You need to put some special language in there saying that, if the house doesn't appraise for X amount of dollars, well, then we can get out of the contract and move on. And that's a big thing. That's something that a lot of agents are looking for, because that's a big issue nowadays, because sales prices are going up and the appraisal people don't always catch up with those sales prices. And that's something that they ask a lot for, and it helps protect the client, but they don't necessarily know that we're involved with that. But we're happy to do it. We're always there for the agents to help them and help them with their clients. Like we keep saying, it's a team effort.